What was who won last time, Don?
Yeah.
I now know I'm 4-player, so.
That's gonna change my button.
Yeah, exactly. I now know. Oh god, I'm losing. Well, now I know I'm losing.
Panic.
Don't go on tilt.
Haha. He's tilting.
Yeah, PJ Salty, I'm cool and epic.
I love saying Twitch emotes outside of Twitch.
Wow, I'm missing all of them. What the fuck?
You suck.
No, I'm not.
I think you is.
No, you. Haha.
They don't think it be like it is, but
It do. Quick, name 3 things that aren't Jackie Chan.
Jackie
Jackie
Chan.
Chan.
Hey! I did
Oh
it
wait, no, I
again.
didn't. Oh shit, I was looking at 4P.
Yeah, Cade, I was like, I'm doing horrible.
Oh no, I was doing the second best. Fuck. Aw, man.
Anyways, Cade, what would you like to play?
I kept looking over at 4P
Nope.
thinking I was fucking up
Nope.
constantly and that caused me to tilt.
That was just me,
God
Cade.
damn it.
I
Run
agree.
it back
God
now,
damn
y'all.
it.
Heckin' to Pearl.
There is no God here.
I-
Just Ekin.